When commercial, industrial, and municipal HOAs or property managers need jet vac cleaning, they turn to Cloud9 services. Our process is streamlined, quick, and efficient. When our team does jet vac cleaning, the steps we take to get the job done are designed to decrease the time it takes to complete the project. So how does it work? The pressurized water begins to transform the dirt and debris into a sludge, which is later sucked up into the vacuum. The waste is simultaneously cleaned and transferred into the tank. Jet vacs are used with high-pressure water jets to thoroughly clean underground pipes and systems. This system is powerful enough to blast through debris and clear anything stopping proper water flow. Our jet vac truck operators remove all obstructions so they don't become a larger problem. The result is clean and debris-free pipes that will resist future buildup. For more information on our jet vac cleaning services, visit cloud9services.com.